Hello there. In this video, I will give you an overview of the music puzzle Bach's Prelude in C major. When you open the zip file, you and your kids are going to think, wow, there's a lot of stuff. And yes, there is a lot of stuff going on because it's a larger composition than simply 4 measures. The first thing you'll want to do is to open the Open Me First folder. Inside, you will see 2 things. There is a PDF of the instructions, as always, and at the bottom, there are detailed videos. There's also a quick start guide because some kids just can take the challenge and run. I don't want to bore kids when they don't need to be bored. The other thing you will notice is that there is a worksheet to help kids organize their work. Because this is a larger piece, there are 33 things they're going to be using, or sets of 33 things they're going to be using. They may want to highlight what they want to use or what instrument they want to use when. This is an option, they don't have to use it. You'll notice that the Audacity files, the AUP files, are in sets of 4. I did that because the piece is long and dividing it up into sets of 4 is a form of scaffolding. The kids can bite off just a little piece and complete that and then put it away if they need to. And then do the next one, put it away. Next one, put it away. Or they can do all of it at one sitting. It's going to take a long time. That's the idea, is to give the kids something that they have to work through, like a puzzle. They work through each section. They export that section as an MP3. And then at the end, they're going to take each of these new MP3s and put it together in a longer composition. So it's a multi-step process, sets of 4, combine all sets of 4 into the longer piece, and then add the coda, which is section 33, the last 2 measures of the piece. When you open the sound folder, the Sounds-Challenge 2 or Chal 2, you will notice that there are 33 folders because there are 33 sections. Each folder goes to a section in sequential order. I've made this process as simple as I can, at least I think I have, to help the kids get through the process quickly. When you open each folder, there's 5 choices of instruments. They have the opportunity to use any one of those instruments for each section. You will also notice when you open each individual AUP file, Audacity file, there are guides at the top. The loop guides are there to help the kids place the loops where they need to go so that it sounds good. There's a learning curve to everything. This is no exception. Once you and your kids get the hang of this, I think, in fact, I know that you will enjoy playing around, for lack of better words, playing around and imagining this composition and others in different ways, and then talking about the choices you've made. You can find this puzzle and more at my store on Teachers Pay Teachers. If you have any questions or comments, please add them at the bottom and I will respond as quickly as I can. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye-bye.